Okay, hi everyone. So this is a reading challenge template, a reading challenge tracker. So this is just to track all your books that you will be reading in a specific month or specific year. So how it works is like you have a clip art here just to make it look nice. I love clip arts, but you can always remove this if you don't like it. Or if you have another clip art you want to add, you can just add it as well. So then we have a progress bar just to show you how far you are with your goal. So let's add some few books here. So I'm just gonna add some random titles. The love story training is about to start. So don't just mind the titles, I'm just adding some random things on top of my head. Do it now. Let me just fix this. The sunset view. The hero. The bad guy. Yeah, I'm thinking that's fine. So here you will add something. So now you see, even though you have added some titles of books, it doesn't still do anything. So how it works is like as you read, let's say for instance, but it doesn't have to be in the specific order. So you can start reading any book from any web. So let's say you maybe started with the hero, and once you are done with reading the book the hero, then you will just tick it off. So once you tick it off, you will see that it will also be scratched out, and the progress bar will start to update as well. So the more you read, the more the progress bar is also going to go. So this is going to help you to visualize and see how far you are with your reading goals. So if you would like this template, get access to this template, you can always go in the descriptions. And if you have any comments, any questions regarding this template, please feel free to drop me a comment. Thank you.